I want to establish the identity here. So I am going to rewrite this as cosine of 3 pi over 2 cosine theta plus sine 3 pi over 2 sine theta. Well, cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. Oh, sorry, minus, because the plus here. This is -1, so it becomes just minus negative sine theta, which is sine theta, so that works. Okay, this one is a little bit more complicated. So I am going to write these out as cosine alpha, cosine beta plus sine alpha sine beta, and that's going to be times cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. If I notice this is a difference of two squares, this is like cosine squared alpha cosine squared beta minus sine squared alpha sine, that's a beta, squared beta. All right, so I'm going to rewrite cosine squared as 1 minus sine squared. So I have cosine squared alpha times 1 minus sine squared beta minus sine squared alpha sine squared beta. So I have cosine squared alpha minus cosine squared alpha sine squared beta minus sine squared alpha sine squared beta. So I'm going to play around a little bit. These have a common sine squared. So it's going to be cosine squared alpha here minus that sine squared alpha beta, which I pulled out. And then what's left here is cosine squared alpha and a sine squared alpha, which is 1. And then I have what I was looking for.